sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Lincoln MKC. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Lincoln prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power front seats, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.